Mm-hmm.
You think I'll fit in there?
Go see.
You funny, right? See, look, I took out everything though. Well, look, I don't know if I can fit in there.
Yes, you can.
But, yo, you go like this though. Like that.
I told you was gonna fit.
Just go like this is all.
I told you.
Hey, George. Well, I can't do it though.
Yes, you can. How you did it just though? Uh-huh.
I'm gonna come now.
I-
Hey, Georgie, how you doing?
No, she gonna say, hey, Georgie.
Oh my God, what's the name? No, we're gonna scare my mama on Halloween though.
I would say, hey, Georgie. You want your? I would say, you want your boat? You want your belt back?
You know what the hell did you do to the fish? I took everything.
She gonna say, where the food go?
I don't know.
You took all my food out, now it's gonna be cold.
I mean, bro, you think I'm fit?
You already did it. You tried it.
And then I'm in my bag. That's the problem.
No, just squat down like the how I'm doing.
Squat down like this. You wanna see more videos? You should like watch this video. If you don't like it. No, for real, I'm not playing. If you like it, just go ding.
If you don't get your, come on, hey Georgie, you want your boat back?
Show Georgie my ass. Alright, we're gonna be
Tell me, am I real for you, Bob Billy?
Let me know, get your. No, let me get the thing though.
Georgie, I was born.
Let me get the video though, and you're like, oh my God. Right,
I know who could fit in there.
Ooh.
Your niece.
You.
Not for real.
Oh yes.
This what happens when you leave the refrigerator empty. Ain't no food in there. This is when your mom don't buy no groceries.
And everything is on the table. Like, what the fuck is this though?
What the fuck you did to my house? This is what your mom gonna say. What you do? I leave the house for 15 minutes. This is what happens? When next when I be gone, you
Oh
wanna do?
hell no! What the fuck did you do to my cake?
No, fuck that cake, okay?
Look what you did to my cake!
Hey, I cut it right in tight, okay?
What the
Hold up,
fuck?
paw.
Look what he did to my fucking cake! Come on. Let me show you.
What the fuck is this?
Exactly, what the fuck did you do to my cake?
Hey, I tried to cut, okay?
What the fuck? You try?
Hey, you do it then. You cut it how you see it.
You cut it like this? Oh, it's the smallest one.
Yeah, look what you did.
It's small. You didn't get the whole piece.
Hey, I tried, okay?
What happened to the pig though?
Over there somewhere next to the bread.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, look at you. Yeah, this is what Mexicans do when they try to cut a cake.
Oh, no, this is what Africans does to the cake.
No, fuck you, okay? Next time you...
It wasn't me. I don't cut like that.
Shut your-
What? When my birthday comes, I'm not gonna cut like that.
You know, fuck you, okay? You cut your own cake. Don't ask me to cut it then. I ain't gonna ever buy you nothing no more. You say I cut the cake wrong.
Look, I can't get a damn piece.
Just pick up the damn piece and eat it, damn. God dang. Up here then dancing,
Alright, bye.
eating cake.
I'll let you too.
Now what you got? Now what you got to say about this?
Bye.
My question: what happened to your toes?
You bogus as fuck. We're not talking about you. You said to them.
Girl, why you got your toes out? I got one question for you.
Nah,
Why your toes so ashy? Where the fuck they come from? Ow!
We're done. We're done with that shit. Cut it out now. You wanna break the damn camera. We're gonna have problems after that.
Yeah.